If you're trying to open Device Care and run a self-diagnosis on your Samsung Smart TV running on TizenOS, but just like us, it's grayed out, and when you try to open it, it says this function is not available, then let me show you how you can fix Device Care or self-diagnosis grayed out in just a few seconds. The reason why Device Care is grayed out on your Samsung TV is either because you have an app open in the background, as you can see in our case it's YouTube, or if you have selected an input other than Live TV. So to fix this, we simply need to close the background app by pressing the back or exit button. And as you can see, it will switch to Live TV automatically. Or you can also go to Live TV from the home screen. Now we will just open back up the support settings. And as you can see, Device Care is no longer grayed out. So now you can run self-diagnosis on your Samsung Smart TV without any issues. And that's all there is to it. So if this helped, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and I'll see you in the next one.